Hello everyone, class 12 topic is preparation of alcohol from 1 degree amine and nitrous acid. As you know, we are dealing with the preparation methods of alcohol. So this is the next preparation method. First of all, we need to understand nitrous acid. What is nitrous acid? Nitrous acid. The formula is HNO2. Bonding is this. Hydrogen is connected with oxygen with a single bond. This oxygen is connected with nitrogen with a sigma single bond. And this nitrogen is further connected with double bond with this oxygen. One lone pair on nitrogen, two lone pairs on oxygen. This is NHNO2, nitrous acid. Now, how nitrous acid is prepared? It is prepared by reacting NaNO2, means sodium nitrite, plus HCl. Sodium will carry a +1 charge. It's a salt. You know it's a cation part. It's a anion part. -1 charge. In hydrochloric acid, chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. So electrons are more toward chlorine side. Hydrogen is carrying positive charge, partial positive. Chlorine is carrying partial negative charge. So that's it. Positive will attack on negative. Negative will attack on positive. HNO2 plus NaCl will generate out nitrous acid. This nitrous acid we are preparing when we required it, which we call in situ. In books, sometimes it is written this one, in situ. In situ means during situation we need nitrous acid. That's why we are preparing it. We are not storing it in advance. When we need it, we are preparing it. This is the meaning of in situ. Okay. The nitrous acid is prepared over here. Now what about 1 degree amine? Let's understand what is 1 degree amine. 1 degree amine. The general formula is RNH2, where R is representing alkyl group like methyl, propyl, ethyl, and so on, even in cycloalkyl groups. Nitrogen carrying a lone pair, making bond with 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so if you want to convert 1 degree into 2 degree, so just you need to replace hydrogen by another R. It will become 2 degree amine. And if third H is also replaced by R, it will become 3 degree amine. But for this reaction, I need only 1 degree, so I will keep it there. This is 1 degree amine. Now let's understand 1 degree amine and nitrous acid, how they will create alcohol. 1 degree amine plus nitrous acid, which is generated through NaNO2 plus HCl, will first create this compound. This one. Which compound is this? Yaad hai? This is alkyl diazonium chloride. One compound you have done in previous videos, benzene diazonium chloride. This is that. Only the difference is here I have used benzene ring and here I am using alkyl part. Same category of compound they are. Alkyl diazonium chloride, and this is benzene diazonium chloride. And remember what I said about it. These diazonium chloride compounds are highly unstable. They can exist only up to what temperature? 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Reason? You can check the condition, highly unstable. This nitrogen is making 4 bond, positive charge. So this bond is highly unstable. This bond, R and N bond. So this compound will exist only in very low temperature conditions, 0 to 5 degree. As you will heat it, the compound will decompose. How it will decompose? Let's check. Which nitrogen is in problem? This nitrogen. So this bond will break. Obviously, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. Yes, R is made up of carbons and hydrogen. So carbon is making bond with nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. So when bond will break, both electrons will shift toward nitrogen and bond will break from here. R will lose its electron, so it will turns to positive particle, means carbocation, and this nitrogen already carrying a lone pair, so no issue, it's a normal nitrogen, and this nitrogen will carry now a lone pair, due to which its positive charge will finish out and this compound will release out. Which gas it is? Nitrogen gas, N2 gas. And because Cl negative was connected due to this positive charge, now there is no positive charge on nitrogen, so it will also get separate out first. That's right here. What they will do, we will discuss, but first point is this. Number one, from here to here, I will not tell you the mechanism, because this mechanism already we have discussed in previous videos under the name of the reaction Balch-Chemin reaction. Yes, Balch-Chemin reaction includes same reaction. At the place of R, benzene ring was there only. This was a change. And mechanism will be similar. So please check that video. I am not going to tell you the mechanism again. 1 degree nitrous acid reaction to create alkyl diazonium chloride. This mechanism I will not tell because we have already discussed this mechanism in previous videos under the name of the reaction Balch-Chemin reaction. So from here to here, check mechanism in from the previous videos. Now from here, how alcohol will generate, that I will tell you. Very easy. This compound is highly unstable, which we call alkyl diazonium chloride. Alkyl diazonium chloride. During reaction, we will increase the temperature, means little bit heat we will provide, and this compound will decompose. As I already told you how it will decompose, it will break bond like this. R vacant orbital, positive particle, nitrogen gas will release out and Cl negative will release out. This nitrogen gas will release out, stable compound, Cl negative. Obviously, students will think Cl negative will attack on it and RCl will generate. But wait, when 1 degree amine and nitrous acids were reacted to produce RN2Cl negative positive, this alkyl diazonium chloride, one more side product was generated there, H2O. Please check that mechanism. Yes, water molecules are released out there. Okay, so please keep in your mind that from 1 degree and nitrous acid, only not alkyl diazonium chloride will generate. With that, side product will also generate, that is H2O. Now H2O we know break in two parts, H positive, OH negative. Means this carbocation have a chance to be attacked by two negative particles, Cl negative and OH negative. Now who will attack? The answer is OH negative. Reason? Let's check. Cl negative, what is the condition? Cl negative will have 4 lone pairs on it, negative charge. OH negative, what is the condition? 3 lone pair with a negative charge. Electronegativity of chlorine 3.5, electronegativity of oxygen 3.5, same electronegativity, but this oxygen can donate lone pair better as compared to Cl negative. Reason? Watch carefully. With this oxygen, hydrogen is attached. Now, as hydrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, so these electrons are going toward oxygen, due to which the lone pairs which are already present on oxygen are feeling little bit repulsion. These electrons are coming toward oxygen, due to which these lone pairs will feel repulsion, due to which they will move little bit up. Now as they will move up, their donation will become easy. Such case is not happening in chloride. There is no inductive effect, means the movement of sigma electrons like in this case it was happening. So lone pairs will remain on their own position. But here these lone pairs are moving little bit up, so their donation is easy. Why they are moving little bit up? Because sigma electrons are coming toward this oxygen. That's why oxygen is better donor as compared to Cl. Or you can say nucleophilicity nucleophilicity of OH negative is better than Cl negative. Nucleophilicity means power to donate lone pair. That's it. R positive is there waiting for the electrons. Out of Cl negative and OH negative, who is going to provide the electrons? OH negative. It will combine, and what will generate? ROH, alcohol. That's it. This is the mechanism we have. Okay, now let's try to solve some reactions based on it. Suppose we have CH3NH2, nitrous acid HNO2. Can you tell which alcohol will generate out over here? Okay, naming. First of all, naming. This is longest chain, 1. Naming will be side chain name first, then we use cyclo, then word root. Cyclo, it is not there. Word root 1 means meth, ane, and then finally the name of functional group. It's a amine, 1 amine. Methane 1 amine. Methane 1 amine is going to react with nitrous acid. So which alcohol will generate? Just you need to change NH2 by OH group. Okay, if I solve this reaction step by step, so first what will generate? CH3, this will generate out. Methyl diazonium chloride. And finally, we will provide little bit heat. So decomposition will happen. With that, H2O was also released. This CH3 will become as a carbocation. H2O will provide us OH negative, as we have discussed in mechanism. OH negative will combine with this CH3 particle to provide CH3OH, methanol, methane 1-ol. Similarly, you can try reactions based on 1 degree amine and nitrous acid to create alcohol. One technique you can learn to solve the reaction. Look, one technique let me provide you. Like nitrous acid. So how we are writing nitrous acid? We are writing it like this. Okay. And 1 degree amine, how we are writing? RNH2 like this. Look, ये N के ऊपर N लेके आओ, इस तरह से इसको लिखो, N on N. तो just N and N will release out as N2. OH will come on R, so ROH. And one more side product, H2O. In this fashion, you can learn the reaction. Just bring N on N. Write first nitrous acid like this, HONO. Amine, 1 degree amine, RNH2. So just N on N will come. So you can learn it easily. It's just a trick. So N and N, N2, ROH, alcohol, H2O, water molecule. That's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much.